So what do you want to do for dinner?
I'd rather do something that delivers.
By the time I'll be back by the time you're done giving a bath.
Fine, go get what you want then.
You don't want any of that?
I'm starving, yeah, I do.
Do you want a burger maybe?
Ew, no. You're going to that Mediterranean place, right?
Or should we just get Chipotle? That's super easy.
Hi. Should we get Mexican or Mediterranean, Ayden? Really?
Looks like he wants plastic.
Would you like some olives with your plastic, or would you like some beans with your plastic? Mexican or Mediterranean? Mexican, Mediterranean. Which one do you want?
Ayden, did you already finish eating?
So do you know what you want?
I'll do whatever.
I mean, come on, tell me.
I just want something fast, that's all.